Hey, yo, rap, it's your boy Maxalapencil all the way from Dream Rock HQ. Today we are going to do a step-on-step tutorial on how to draw by using pencil. We are going to use charcoal pencil together with graphite pencil. If you're new here, consider subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to leave a comment and share to
She got my vibe, she could blow my mind, you. Now Sonica beauty face, baby so nice, you. The way she got my vibe, she could blow my mind, you. Now Sonica beauty face, baby so nice, you. I feel like my heart stuck on you, so zinka deny, girl I'm sink I'm following on you. Ni kama umenipa wine, nikinywa na kuona you. Can you be my valentine, girl I propose on you, propose.